taas ng kuryente ngayon, lalo na with the fuel crisis, ramdam talaga ng pamilya.
Kaya noong March 24, 2026, inilabas ang Executive Order Number 110 na nagdeklara ng State of National Energy Emergency para tulungan ang pamilyang Pilipino. Bilang tugon, inilunsad ang GSIS Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan.
Matagal ko ng plano magpa-solar at dito na siya naging posible.
Nag-apply ako gamit ang GSIS Touch app. The following day, credited na. Convenient at mabilis. Isa ako sa mga unang na-approve.
Madali lang ang proseso sa GCell. Para sa reimbursement ng nagastos sa solar panel installation, magsumiti lamang ng official receipt na nakapangalan sa iyo bilang patunay ng iyong gastos. May kasama pang 3 years insurance ang GCell laban sa sunog, bagyo at lindol.
Ngayon, ramdam na namin ang pagbabago at mas mababa na ang kuryente at mas magaan na ang gastos.
Bago ang solar, umaabot sa 3,500 to 4,000 pesos ang buwanang kuryente. Sa tulong ng GCell, bumababa ito humigit kumulang 800 to 1,200 pesos depende sa konsumo at solar output. Ibig sabihin, aabot sa 70% ang matitipid, isang tunay na ginhawa para sa pamilya.
Para sa isang kawani ng gobyerno tulad ko, totoong ginhawa para sa pamilya. Salamat sa GCell, salamat sa GSIS.
Mag-apply na sa GSIS Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan gamit ang GSIS Touch.
Nung may tindahan kami, umabot kami ng maximum ng 14,000. So medyo malaki. Tapos nung tinanggal namin yung tindahan, 12, 10. Pero yun ang average, 7 to 10,000 na medyo mabigat po.
Para sa isang pamilyang Pilipino na may 4 na miyembro, ang buwanang bayarin sa kuryente ay maaaring umabot sa 3,000 hanggang 4,500 pesos depende sa konsumo at panahon.
Ginagawa namin, nagsasama-sama kami sa isang kwarto. Lahat kami nandun sa isang kwarto para yun ang nakabukas na aircon. Medyo malamig, medyo mas kumbaga, sama-sama kami talaga. Actually, nag-install kami ng mga yung may baterya na solar light. Parang yun na yung ilaw namin sa gabi para lang makatipid.
Batay sa mga survey ng Pulse Asia, nananatiling kabilang ang mataas na presyo ng mga bilihin, kabilang ang kuryente sa pangunahing suliranin ng maraming Pilipino. Bilang tugon, isinulong ng administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang pagpapalakas ng renewable energy sa bansa upang mapababa ang gastos sa kuryente at mapatatag ang supply. Dito pumasok ang Government Service Insurance System. Sa pamumuno ni Wick Veloso, inilunsad ang GSIS Solar Energy Loan o GCell.
Pag-check ko nga dun sa app, GSIS Touch, andun na siya. In-apply ko. March 27 yun. So, Friday, nung Monday, in-approve ng AEO namin. Then, the next day, in-approve ni GSIS nung hapon. Kumbaga, may recommend ako talaga kasi ang bilis. I'm planning yung ma-save ko dito, i-allocate ko dun sa dagdagang tuition ng anak ko kasi papasok na siya ngayong pasukan, yung 4 years old ko. Tsaka yung sa panggamot ni Mrs. kasi meron din pong diabetes si Mrs. At saka mga maintenance. Hindi naman na tayo bumabata. Kumbaga, kailangan natin bigyan din ng priority yung health natin sa mga miyembro ng GSIS. Yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-avail ng GCell, i-try nyo rin kasi malaking tulong siya. Ang bilis niya pumasok. Makapili ka talaga kung sino yung gusto mong magpo-provide sa'yo.
Malaking ginhawa ito na nagbibigay hanggang 70% na pagtitipid sa kuryente sa ilang buwan ng mataas na solar output.
Sa GCell po, may ginhawa.
social media platforms. Like, share, subscribe, and follow us for the most recent updates, programs, and announcements. Dedicated for our members and pensioners. Be informed for real-time updates, advisories, and announcements. Take a glimpse of snapshots of our programs and activities. Get entertained and informed on TikTok. Subscribe now for detailed video guides, services, and testimonies from GSIS stakeholders. Join our Viber community for instant advisories, event updates, and direct communication with GSIS. Stay ahead for the latest news and updates by following and connecting with GSIS LinkedIn network. Be sure not to miss it. Stay in touch with GSIS by following us on all of our social media platforms. Now,
Sa taas ng kuryente ngayon, lalo na with the fuel crisis, ramdam talaga ng pamilya.
Kaya noong March 24, 2026, inilabas ang Executive Order Number 110 na nagdeklara ng State of National Energy Emergency para tulungan ang pamilyang Pilipino. Bilang tugon, inilunsad ang GSIS Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan.
Matagal ko ng plano magpa-solar at dito na siya naging posible.
Nag-apply ako gamit ang GSIS Touch App. The following day, credited na. Convenient at mabilis. Isa ako sa mga unang na-approve.
Madali lang ang proseso sa GCell. Para sa reimbursement ng nagastos sa solar panel installation, magsumiti lamang ng official receipt na nakapangalan sa iyo bilang patunay ng iyong gastos. May kasama pang 3 years insurance ang GCell laban sa sunog, bagyo at lindol.
Ngayon, ramdam na namin ang pagbabago at mas mababa na ang kuryente at mas magaan na ang gastos.
Bago ang solar, umaabot sa 3,500 to 4,000 pesos ang buwanang kuryente. Sa tulong ng GCell, bumababa ito humigit kumulang 800 to 1,200 pesos depende sa konsumo at solar output. Ibig sabihin, aabot sa 70% ang matitipid, isang tunay na ginhawa para sa pamilya.
Para sa isang kawani ng gobyerno tulad ko, totoong ginhawa para sa pamilya. Salamat sa GCell, salamat sa GSIS.
Mag-apply na sa GSIS Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan gamit ang GSIS Touch.
Did you know that you can also view your non-life insurance policy in your GSIS Touch mobile app? Upon logging in, simply scroll down and click Insurance Policy, then click Non-Life Insurance. You will then see all the policies you have availed. Once clicked, you will see the details of your policy. For example, you have insured your property with GSIS Fire Insurance. The details you may view include the following: policy number, total sum insured, effectivity date or the coverage period of your policy, sum insured or how much your property is insured with GSIS, and insurance coverage that specifies the perils your property is protected from, sum insured, and the premium paid. Malinaw, protektado, maginhawa. To further protect you and your properties, GSIS offers motor vehicle insurance, fire insurance, and personal accident insurance. This is open to all members, pensioners, and their relatives. For more info, check your GSIS Touch or the GSIS website. Proteksyong kompleto at wagi, yan ang insurance ng mga kawani. Relax ka sa GSIS Touch.
GSIS is now available on all favorite social media platforms. Like, share, subscribe, and follow us for the most recent updates, programs, and announcements. Dedicated for our members and pensioners. Be informed for real-time updates, advisories, and announcements. Take a glimpse of snapshots of our programs and activities. Get entertained and informed on TikTok. Subscribe now for detailed video guides, services, and testimonies from GSIS stakeholders. Join our Viber community for instant advisories, event updates, and direct communication with GSIS. Stay ahead for the latest news and updates by following and connecting with GSIS LinkedIn network. Be sure not to miss it. Stay in touch with GSIS by following us on all of our social media platforms. Now,
Mayad nga adlaw, Cappies, and welcome to another episode of PA Kapihan, your trusted source for news and in-depth discussions on the issues that matter most in our community. I am Peter M. Francisco, your host. Today's discussion will focus on the program's services and latest updates from the Government Service Insurance System, or GSIS, a government institution mandated to provide social security protection and financial benefits to government employees and pensioners. For many years, GSIS has continued to serve as a reliable partner of public servants by offering various benefits such as loans, insurance, retirement packages, emergency assistance, and other financial services designed to support members in different stages of their lives. Today, we aim to better understand how GSIS programs work, the qualifications and requirements for availing benefits and loans, as well as the latest initiatives that can help improve the welfare of government workers and retirees. Joining us today is the GSIS Rojas City Branch Office Manager, Mr. John Bianio Kanya. Good day, sir.
Good morning po, Pia. Good morning to our media, friends and media. First of all, I would like to extend our gratitude. Malaking pagpapasalamat namin for having us in this program. And we are here not only to provide you updates with regards to GSI's policies and programs, but first and foremost, would like to give you what we call the Ginhawa branding of GSIS. Ginhawa means peace of mind and security. Aside from discussing about loans and benefits, we'd like to assure the public and stakeholders of GSIS that whatever contingency, especially what we are facing now at this time, very challenging times, nandun po yung GSIS as our partner ng government institutions. That's why we are so thankful, Ma'am Pia, with the invitation of Sir Alex, and of course to our media people, to serve as a bridge towards our members. Kasi we believe that yung informed members natin are empowered members. With me here is my partner, Engineer Mike Arancillo, who will also help me discuss about GSI's loans and benefits. Thank you for having us po.
Thank you very much, Ms. Pia, for this opportunity. Madamo nga salamat sa inyo tanan sa pag-invite sa amon kag paghatag sa oportunidad nga maka-share man, makabulig man kita sa aton mga miyembro, sa publiko, kag sa aton nga mga pensioners, especially those nga nagakinanglan gid or support gid sa GSIS. So as what Manager Vianney said, ari kami sa pag-alagad sa inyo, sa paghatag ginhawa sa ating mga members and pensioners. Kag of course, we'll provide you with the latest information about GSIS, ang amon nga mga programa na makabuligid sa aton tanan. Hindi lang gani isa para lang sa mga miyembro, kundi makabuligid sa aton estado, sa aton national government. At the same time, because of our crisis right now, in fact, ang aton nga mabuligan not only ang personal naton nga mga kinanglanon, pati environment. Kag aton man ina matakol later on kung paano ang mga programa sang GSIS aton ang amon ng mga corporate social responsibility is tied into our programs and services. So thank you very much Gid again for the opportunity sa kay Sir Alex sa paghatag sa amon sining oportunidad kag sa aton nga mga amigo kag amiga sa media.
Okay, so thank you so much, Masters. No? So to begin our discussions, ano-ano ang mga loan programs ang available subong sa mga GSIS members kag pensioners?
Thank you for that. We have an array of loan programs na ginawa po namin just recently. So we are aware about the Balik Ginhawa, program. Ito po yung relief program na ginawa po ng GSIS. It's a modified loan moratorium scheme wherein binabalik po sa atin yung 3 buwan nating hulog for the purpose na matulungan po tayo immediately. Kasi we believe and we understand that we're really facing great challenge when it comes due to rising cost of living, especially yung rising fuel prices at saka electricity. That's why meron kaming Balik Ginhawa program. And then aside from that, meron din tayong other loan programs, which is of course yung flagship program natin na MPL Flex, nandyan pa rin. It's a loan consolidation program which enables our borrowers maximum of 14 times their basic salary with a flexible, kaya tinawag siyang flex kasi flexible yung payment term natin. Depende po sa need natin. We also have launched GSI's Ginhawa Go. It's microfinancing na pwede nating bayaran. Makautang tayo ng 1,000 to 4,000, maximum 50,000 on flexible payment terms. And then we have, of course, yung mga environment-friendly natin, part of corporate social responsibility po natin ng GSIS because we believe na kailangan po natin to give up to our community and to support our initiatives to avoid global warming. No? So we will introduce later on yung Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan at saka yung Ginhawa Jibel. Okay. Bike, e-bike.
E-mobilization.
Yes. Kaya nandito yung partner ko to pitch.
Sige.
Yeah.
Actually, madamo kita sang program
correct.
sa GSIS. I-translate kung ginhambal ni Sir. May Ginhawa Max pa kita. But I would like to have our tawag dito, yung mga members and pensioners naton to look up sa aton nga GSIS Touch app sa website or GSIS Touch app. Ara dira naka-explain ang mga different programs nga ginahatag ni GSIS para maka-avail ang aton nga mga members and pensioners. Na-explain ara dira man ang mga detalye kung paano mag-apply. Actually 24/7 pwede nila ma-access na ang aton GSIS Touch app. And we have actually around 9 different programs, different loan programs that if you are qualified, you can avail of. Pwede kita ma-avail dito sa aton nga GSIS Touch app. Kung may mga questions sila para sa detalye sang iban sang mga loan programs ngayon, just check GSIS Touch app. It's your 24/7 GSIS on hand, online, anywhere, anytime pwede you can ma-access. Kung may question pa gid, visit us at the office and we can guide you for the loans that you can avail to. So this morning, si Ms. Pia will be focusing sa amon nga top seller kag bag-o nga mga programs for the loans.
And speaking, sir, sa mga bago nga mga loan programs, isa na diri ang Ginhawa Bike and E-Mobility Loan o kanang Jebel nga ginatawag. So ano ini siya kag kung sino ang mga qualified nga mga membro ang pwede maka-avail sini kag kung ano ang mga e-mobility vehicles ang covered sa sini nga programa.
Yes.
Tuduan na baka minister. Joke. But anyway, the Jebel program is a very good program because this will make us healthier. Paano maging healthier? Because maka-provide din siya sa aton sang pamaagi, healthier to our finances, makabulig bangod kung mag-avail ka mo sang Jebel program, pwede ka mo maka-loan for bicycles or electronic mobility devices such as basta electronic lang, mga e-scooter, e-bikes, electronic bikes, and other forms of mobility. Hindi pa subong po pwede ang e-vehicle, mga e-mobility lang. Medyo gamay-gamay pa lang ang mga salakyan nato. But soon, under the works, siguro ba later, o mga vehicles na EV sa ngamon pwede mo offer. But this loan program is actually allowing us to provide our members with the opportunity na pwede sila makabakal up to 300,000 pesos worth na e-mobility device or bicycles para mabayaran ni GSIS in the form of a loan. So, ang importante, active members sila sa GSIS, wala sila sang mga arrearages sa loans, hindi loan in default sila, and kung interesado sila, they can scout pag gusto kayo, we have the free hand kung diin ka kag ano ang imo gusto nga baklon. So all we need is to provide us with quotation under your name, kung sino man ang ma-loan sa GSIS nga member. Tapos dalon nila sa i-upload nila ina sa GSIS Touch app. And then, once approved by their AO, this is going to be automatically credited to their account and they can buy the equipment. So once they buy the equipment, provide us with the receipt. I-upload man because may libre na nga insurance. So if something happens to the equipment in the span of the insurance coverage, automatically the amount, the value of that equipment for that particular time, ibalik sa ila as form of insurance.
Okay. So right now, sir, we are under, of course, ang energy crisis.
Yes.
And with that, may ara subong nga bago pagit nga loan ang GSIS amo ni ang ginhawa solar energy loan. So ano ini siya kag kung ano ang iya sini nga main objective kag mga requirements kag proseso sini sa pag-apply sang miyembro sang GSIS.
Thank you, Pia. Before na-launch po yung GBEL natin or yung Ginhawa e-bike, e-mobility program, nauna pong i-launch yung Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan. Yung purpose po nito is to help our members to install yung solar panels. Okay? Yung solar panels po natin, it will enable us to reduce our electricity bills significantly. So in fact, during our mga early na mga nag-avail, almost 60% po ng kanilang current na mga bills na babayaran nila. So yung objective po nito, first and foremost, is to help reduce our expenses through reduction of our electricity bills, and then of course, as I've said kanina sa opening statement ko, this will help in the global initiative para ma-avoid po yung global warming at saka climate change. So, by subscribing to solar panels, mayroon po tayong alternative. We will not be dependent on external na mga suppliers gaya ang ginagawa natin ngayon, medyo challenging kung halimbawa may mga problema outside of our control. Pero kung tayo po ay may solar supply, solar system sa bahay, it's a sustainable and renewable energy that we're using. At saka yun nga, yung impact niya, reduction of bills. So yung mga qualified nito, this will be screened by the agency authorized officers. Of course, you must be an active member. At saka yung agency nyo must be an active agency, meaning hindi siya nakatag as delinquent. And then, yung minimum requirement nito, unfortunately, hindi ito para sa mga bago pa lang. Kasi dapat may 3 years ka na in service. And then, yung current na premium contribution must be updated at least one premium payment for the recent 6 months. Okay? So, paano to avail? This is totally exclusive dun sa GTouch natin. And borrowers can avail up to maximum of 500,000 or the actual cost of installation ng kanyang solar setup. So, that means the loan that will be granted must be equal or lower than doon sa kanilang papaset up na amount. And then of course, once na we provide the quotation for the purpose of approval, and then once na set up na, we also encourage them to immediately submit all the proofs of completion through certificate of completion, the documents, at saka yung the documentation or the pictures na talagang na-install siya, and OR. That's for the purpose of the insurance coverage, which is free for 3 years. So yun po.
Just what Sir Vianney said, i-remind ko lang aton nga mga members who will be trying to avail for both programs, that these programs, among mga loan programs, kayo available sa GS Touch app. And to ensure, hindi man kinanglan, gid nga kung 500,000 kita tuloy imo i-loan. Kung ang 300,000 nga GBEL, 300,000 man imo i-loan. the actual cost or the actual payment or the actual subscription or the actual quotation, amulan ang i-approve bayaran. And be sure nga may net take home pay kita dira, because if you don't have the net take home pay, kasi i-disapprove sang aton agency authorized officer. And take note kita nga may ara kita sinasang mga loan redemption insurance, and these loans, if something happens to the pension to the member, the loan will be considered as fully paid. Ang aton nga insurance, if something happens to the equipment, insured na siya kag mabalik sa aton ang value of the equipment. That is the uniqueness of the loan program. However, na-remind man namon nga within 6 months, importante gid nga dapat makasend sila sa aton or makukuha sila sang makakatag sang proof nga na-complete ang delivery or installations ini, or else the loan will be deemed as due and demandable. So bayaran nila in full. So kinanglan kadto sila para makuha insurance at the same time, ma-start ang payments ng aton nga loan program.
And speaking, sir, of pag-avail sa mga loans, no, and just to wrap up ang ating first part sa siningang kapihan, anong pinaka-importante ng mga reminders o pointers sang GSIS sa pag-avail sa loans sa mga government employees kag pensioners?
Siguro ang ako nga i-remind nga, una, these loans are available 24/7 sa GSIS Touch app. Kaduha, pasensya gid sa mga pensioners naton, these are for active members ang GBEL and GCEL naton nga loans. However, there are other loan programs. Madamo kita sa mga loan programs nga pwede gid sila ka-select. All you have to do is to check again the GSIS Touch app. Ang importante nga kung nag-utang gani ikaw, kabalo ka man magbayad, or else may surcharges kita sina, may ara kita nga mga penalties and interest nga ihatag si GSIS. That is why we would like to remind our members and borrowers, supposed borrowers nga importante makabalo kita magpadidak kang magbayad sa aton nga loans.
Yeah, that is correct, Engineer Mike. So, yung reminder lang namin dun sa loan availees namin, of course, these loans are available for everyone. Yung limit nito is yung net take home pay natin, of course, in compliance with General Appropriations Act. And we also urge those who approve the loans, the AEOs, to screen thoroughly yung mga qualifications ng ating mga members na mag-a-avail. Kasi aside from giving convenience or ginhawa, we also have the mandate to manage the funds for the benefit po sa ating lahat na stakeholders. Kaya we are monitoring yung compliance po natin. Of course, probably at this point in time, yung mga nag-avail, nakatanggap po sila ng mga reminders kasi we urge them to, after completion of the project, kailangan po natin mag-submit po, very important, na na-complete na po through Certificate of Completion para po mabigyan po tayo ng insurance. At that is a guarantee na talagang the objective of the loan has been accomplished. Tama.
Okay, so thank you very much, Sir Snow, for those valuable insights. And that's it for this part, everyone. Before we move on, we will have a short break.
Sa taas ng kuryente ngayon, lalo na with the fuel crisis, ramdam talaga ng pamilya.
Kaya noong March 24, 2026, inilabas ang Executive Order Number 110 na nagdeklara ng State of National Energy Emergency para tulungan ang pamilyang Pilipino. Bilang tugon, inilunsad ang GSIS Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan.
Matagal ko ng plano magpa-solar at dito na siya naging posible.
Nag-apply ako gamit ang GSIS Touch app. The following day, credited na. Convenient at mabilis. Isa ako sa mga unang na-approve.
Madali lang ang proseso sa GCEL. Para sa reimbursement ng nagastos sa solar panel installation, magsumiti lamang ng official receipt na nakapangalan sa iyo bilang patunay ng iyong gastos. May kasama pang 3 years insurance ang GCell laban sa sunog, bagyo at lindol.
Ngayon, ramdam na namin ang pagbabago at mas mababa na ang kuryente at mas magaan na ang gastos.
Bago ang solar, umaabot sa 3,500 to 4,000 pesos ang buwanang kuryente. Sa tulong ng GCell, bumababa ito humigit kumulang 800 to 1,200 pesos depende sa konsumo at solar output. Ibig sabihin, aabot sa 70% ang matitipid, isang tunay na ginhawa para sa pamilya.
Para sa isang kawani ng gobyerno tulad ko, totoong ginhawa para sa pamilya. Salamat sa GCell, salamat sa GSIS.
Mag-apply na sa GSIS Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan gamit ang GSIS Touch.
Nung may tindahan kami, umabot kami ng maximum ng 14,000. So medyo malaki. Tapos nung tinanggal namin yung tindahan, 12, 10. Pero yun ang average, 7 to 10,000 na medyo mabigat po.
Para sa isang pamilyang Pilipino na may 4 na miyembro, ang buwanang bayarin sa kuryente ay maaaring umabot sa 3,000 hanggang 4,500 pesos depende sa konsumo at panahon.
Ginagawa namin, nagsasama-sama kami sa isang kwarto. Lahat kami nandun sa isang kwarto para yun ang nakabukas na aircon. Medyo malamig, medyo mas kumbaga, sama-sama kami talaga. Actually, nag-install kami ng mga yung may baterya na solar light. Parang yun na yung ilaw namin sa gabi para lang makatipid.
Batay sa mga survey ng Pulse Asia, nananatiling kabilang ang mataas na presyo ng mga bilihin, kabilang ang kuryente sa pangunahing suliranin ng maraming Pilipino. Bilang tugon, isinulong ng administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang pagpapalakas ng renewable energy sa bansa upang mapababa ang gastos sa kuryente at mapatatag ang supply. Dito pumasok ang Government Service Insurance System. Sa pamumuno ni Wick Veloso, inilunsad ang GSIS Solar Energy Loan o GCell.
Pag-check ko nga dun sa app, GSIS Touch, andun na siya. In-apply ko. March 27 yun. So, Friday, nung Monday, in-approve ng AEO namin. Then, the next day, in-approve ni GSIS nung hapon. Kumbaga, may recommend ako talaga kasi ang bilis. I'm planning yung ma-save ko dito, i-allocate ko dun sa dagdagang tuition ng anak ko kasi papasok na siya ngayong pasukan, yung 4 years old ko. Tsaka yung sa panggamot ni Mrs. kasi meron din pong diabetes si Mrs. At saka, ayun, mga maintenance. Hindi naman na tayo bumabata. Kumbaga, kailangan nating bigyan din ng priority yung health natin sa mga miyembro ng GSIS. Yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-avail ng GCell, i-try nyo rin kasi malaking tulong siya. Ang bilis niya pumasok. Makapili ka talaga kung sino yung gusto mong magpo-provide sa'yo.
Malaking ginhawa ito na nagbibigay hanggang 70% na pagtitipid sa kuryente sa ilang buwan ng mataas na solar output.
Sa GCell po, may ginhawa.
social media platforms. Like, share, subscribe, and follow us for the most recent updates, programs, and announcements. Dedicated for our members and pensioners. Be informed for real-time updates, advisories, and announcements. Take a glimpse of snapshots of our programs and activities. Get entertained and informed on TikTok. Subscribe now for detailed video guides, services, and testimonies from GSIS stakeholders. Join our Viber community for instant advisories, event updates, and direct communication with GSIS. Stay ahead for the latest news and updates by following and connecting with GSIS LinkedIn network. Be sure not to miss it. Stay in touch with GSIS by following us on all of our social media platforms. Now,
Sa taas ng kuryente ngayon, lalo na with the fuel crisis, ramdam talaga ng pamilya.
Kaya noong March 24, 2026, inilabas ang Executive Order Number 110 na nagdeklara ng State of National Energy Emergency para tulungan ang pamilyang Pilipino. Bilang tugon, inilunsad ang GSIS Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan.
Matagal ko ng plano magpa-solar at dito na siya naging posible.
Nag-apply ako gamit ang GSIS Touch app. The following day, credited na. Convenient at mabilis. Isa ako sa mga unang na-approve.
Madali lang ang proseso sa GCell. Para sa reimbursement ng nagastos sa solar panel installation, magsumiti lamang ng official receipt na nakapangalan sa iyo bilang patunay ng iyong gastos. May kasama pang 3 years insurance ang GCell laban sa sunog, bagyo at lindol.
Ngayon, ramdam na namin ang pagbabago at mas mababa na ang kuryente at mas magaan na ang gastos.
Bago ang solar, umaabot sa 3,500 to 4,000 pesos ang buwanang kuryente. Sa tulong ng GCell, bumababa ito humigit kumulang 800 to 1,200 pesos depende sa konsumo at solar output. Ibig sabihin, aabot sa 70% ang matitipid, isang tunay na ginhawa para sa pamilya.
Para sa isang kawani ng gobyerno tulad ko, totoong ginhawa para sa pamilya. Salamat sa GCell, salamat sa GSIS.
Mag-apply na sa GSIS Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan gamit ang GSIS Touch.
Did you know that you can also view your non-life insurance policy in your GSIS Touch mobile app? Upon logging in, simply scroll down and click Insurance Policy, then click Non-Life Insurance. You will then see all the policies you have availed. Once clicked, you will see the details of your policy. For example, you have insured your property with GSIS Fire Insurance. The details you may view include the following: policy number, total sum insured, effectivity date or the coverage period of your policy, sum insured or how much your property is insured with GSIS, and insurance coverage that specifies the perils your property is protected from, sum insured, and the premium paid. Malinaw, protektado, maginhawa. To further protect you and your properties, GSIS offers motor vehicle insurance, fire insurance, and personal accident insurance. This is open to all members, pensioners, and their relatives. For more info, check your GSIS Touch or the GSIS website. Proteksyong kompleto at wagi, yan ang insurance ng mga kawani. Relax ka sa GSIS Touch.
GSIS is now available on all favorite social media platforms. Like, share, subscribe, and follow us for the most recent updates, programs, and announcements. Dedicated for our members and pensioners. Be informed for real-time updates, advisories, and announcements. Take a glimpse of snapshots of our programs and activities. Get entertained and informed on TikTok. Subscribe now for detailed video guides, services, and testimonies from GSIS stakeholders. Join our Viber community for instant advisories, event updates, and direct communication with GSIS. Stay ahead for the latest news and updates by following and connecting with GSIS LinkedIn network. Be sure not to miss it. Stay in touch with GSIS by following us on all of our social media platforms. Now,
So kindly state your name and the media entity you're up. So for the first question.
Good morning, everyone, sir. From Brigada News FM, ni Liza Hevero. So my questions goes this way. Ano ang proseso sa pag-apply sang Jebel kag Giselle pinagi sa GSIS Touch Up kag ano ang mga requirements?
Ma'am, come again, you're Liza, okay. Simple lang actually ang pag-apply. It's straightforward. Wala sa damo nga papeles because we are encouraging paperless ng applications sa GSIS. So all you have to do is, kung active member kita, since this is for active members, buksan natin, download first. I am sure kasi kami sa GSIS Rojas, we are among the top top GSIS office na taas ng subscription sa registration sa GSIS Touch. So if you are not yet a GSIS Touch owner or user, download first the GSIS Touch app. So i-follow nyo lang ang prompt dira para magkasulod ka mo makaregister. Sa GSIS Touch app, mayroon dira kita tawag ng mga loan tabs. May loan portions dira, pilion lang natin anong loan programs nga gusto natin i-avail. So in this case, kung Jebel man siya or Giselle man siya, may ara dira sang guide kung anong dapat natin himuon. Sa liwat, 300,000 ang maximum sa Jebel. Sa Giselle naman is 500,000. As I've said, kung hindi man necessary nga ubuson yung ang amount of the loan. So for example, sa Jebel, mabakala ko bisikleta abi nga worth 100,000 ba na namin na nga bisikleta daw race bike na nagkaroon pang karera na I'm sure many would admire your bicycle. So unahon nimo sinakadto ka sa GSIS nga touch, sulod ka sa GBEL nga program, and then upload dito ma-apply ka so that mo dito kung pilang amount nga applyan nimo. Backed up with a quotation nga equivalent sa imo nga loan nga i-apply. So for example, the bike is 100,000, may quotation ka nga address or nakapangalan sa imo nga amount is 100,000 man. And then once uploaded, submit it, then your AAO gets to review your document and approve it. So once approved, the following day or maximum of 3 days, masulod na sa imo nga GSIS nga account. Sa UMID card naton or sa kung land bank ka sa land bank or Union Bank ka card. Automatically, you'll be asked to buy the unit. So baklon mo na siya. Pag bakal nimo, may resibo ka dapat. Ipahatag mo naman sa mo ng resibo, i-upload mo naman liwat ang resibo kag ang pictures ang item nga nabakal na nimo. Then automatically, upload mo ng mga documents ngayon na kag visit the office para man nga mapa-insure naton ang tagaan ka sang insurance for the particular unit. Be sure nga masabit ang completion sina within 6 months. Kay para nga current ang imo nga
6 months for Giselle.
For Giselle. Sa GBEL naman, I think it's 3 or
1 month.
1 month.
1 month.
1 month, okay. So dapat ma-current mo siya or else the loan will be considered as due and demandable. So bayaran mo in full karon kung wala ka to nag-report kung bakal mo ang unit kay intended siya for that particular item. Kung for example, may bisikleta ka na or may ara ka na sang solar setup, within 2006, ang resibo sa to sang pagpa-install nimo, pwede mo siya i-upload sa loan application mo sa Giselle. Then, just follow the same procedure, i-upload mo siya, approve sang AO, credit na sa imo, kung reimbursement na type. And you have to have it insured also again, kag i-certify nyo, kag mapadidak na ikaw sa imo agency. Okay.
Okay.
In addition, Ms. Melissa, thank you for that question. In addition, would like to emphasize na kailangan talaga ng ating certificate of completion. Although may maximum tayong submission period of 6 months, we are encouraging everyone na once na set up na natin, immediately mag-provide na tayo ng mga documents para makover kagad ng insurance. Kasi very critical yung insurance natin. Whatever happens to the solar unit, the materials that was installed, hindi po yun makakover unless we have complied with the documents. And as Mike said, we encourage everyone na mag-install, gamit po ng ating digital platform which is the GTouch because 90% of our transactions are already there na pwede nilang ma-avail. So very practical po yung use niyan. It's like you are carrying with you the whole GSI's office na hindi na kailangan pumunta doon. It's very convenient po.
So, amo na to ang quotation o proof of purchase agud maaprubahan ang loan, sir.
That's
Tama?
correct, ma'am. That's
Okay.
correct.
So, lastly na lang, ano ang insurance coverage o incentive nga kaangot sa ginhawa solar energy loan kag ano ang gina-cover sini?
Sige, sir. Go ahead.
For Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan, the free insurance coverage is your protection against fire, flood, and typhoon. Those are the protection dun sa material na in-install natin. So any damage na cause about fire, lightning, typhoon, earthquake, yun po yung kina-cover ng ating insurance. And of course, it must be differentiated dun sa warranties nung service provider. Yung kina-cover po ng insurance is only due to external forces like yung calamities na na-mention ko po na mapupunta doon, madadamage yung ating materials.
To add to that, sir, for example, may balay, in-install sa atop sang balay ang aton nga solar panels, nasunog ang balay. Ang balay hindi mabayaran unless insured siya, but the unit, the solar panels and the batteries and the setup will be reimbursed or will be paid with an insurance para mabalik ang costs sang equipment naton for the particular period. Kung mga depreciate pa ng aton nga ng equipment. So for that time, kung pilang assessed value niya, mo na ibalik sa iya. Assessed value. And please take note that may ara kita nga loan redemption insurance. All loans in GSIS have LRI. So if something happens to the member, ma-pass away siya, ang beneficiaries niya sina, ang utang di na pag-ibuhin because of the LRI. Good as paid siya. So this is very good. Gidjaya kay ang tanan nga programs si GSIS, nga loan programs may LRI.
Same man na sa Jebel, sir.
Yes, for all the loan programs.
Oh, hay kung maglupo ka bing e-bike. Sorry.
I-investiga ron na kung nga naglubog siya. Kung intentional then may proper documentation, may mga police reports and so on.
Yeah.
But kung normal causes, and wala man lang sang foul play, yun, di pa foul play gid. Everything will be processed smoothly, and this is going to be very fast because local ang processing naton.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, Miss Melissa.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning po.
DJ Melody sa Capridem. Amon question, sir, is pila ka adlaw, sir, pag na-approve ang loan, pila ka adlaw after siya i-release? And diin ang mga ways sa pagbayad?
Okay. Ang release, would you believe, may interview kami from Metro Rojas Water MRWD. Pasensya, hindi ko balaan taga Rojas. But na-apply siya sa subong, kung wala lang nag-holiday, nagsunod na yun, the following day. Oo. So in fact, this, as much as possible, gusto gini GSIS within 72 hours or even less. Mapasulod gid dayon sa aton nga members. Basta all documents, all requirements are properly accomplished, the amount will be credited to their land bank account. Basta GSIS, kay GSIS has two depository banks. We have two partner banks, Land Bank and Union Bank. Dito na siya masulod. Basi mag-worry sila kay last time ang samon nga balik ginhawan sila nga wala kuno nang sulod sila dayon to think gali kay ang ilang nga land bank kag gina-check ilaya payroll account, not the GSIS land bank, so nagkasala-sala. So you would also be able to monitor nyo sa GSIS Touch kung na tapos ng process, na approve na siya, because you will see there. So once approved or credited, nag-notify si GSIS through text and through the app mismo, and also email nga na-approve ang imo nga loan and nasulod na siya.
Yes, ma'am. In addition, we are sending notices through your contact numbers. That's why kung ma-notice nyo, once na before we apply for a loan, mayroong prompt dyan na is this contact number still updated. So you have if that needs to be updated, kailangan i-update natin kasi for the purpose of loan notification. So once your contact number is updated, makikita mo in real time yung status ng loan natin. In the initial implementation of the loan, nagkaroon po tayo ng at least a maximum of 7 days na turnaround time when it comes to e-crediting doon sa UMID card natin. But just recently, nung mag-smooth out na yung operation natin, na-lessen na yung volume nung availees, umabot na lang siya maximum of 3 days and even lesser period of time na makikredit siya. And of course, very very important na tignan yung UMID card, hindi po yung payroll. There are a lot of complaints nga kasi minsan na ko-confuse sila kung saan papasok sa land bank, kasi we also have our land bank na service provider for UMID. So kung may payroll sila na land bank, that's not the one na papasukan, kundi yung GSIS UMID account ng member.
Sir, so din sila pwede kabayad? Anong mga banks na pwede bayaran? Or
Yung payment natin, both of the loans are automatically deducted from their salary. So mayroon tayong billing dyan, monthly billing, na pinapadala doon sa ating mga agencies. But of course, there are certain isolated cases na hindi tayo ng deduction, nag-effect for some reasons, for one reason or another. Kailangan po natin magbayad through GSIS Touch mismo. Mayroon dyan facility through our, I think, GCash or PayMaya yata.
Yes, sir.
And then, pwede rin tayo magbayad over the counter. Or our other
Ginhawa centers.
Ginhawa centers. Okay. Yung importante dyan, we must be vigilant about our responsibility to pay the amortization. So, from time to time, i-check po natin para hindi tayo magka-arrears or maging worse, magkaroon ng due and demandable loan.
To add to that sa mention ni Sir Vianney, for example, nakadaog ka sa lotto, gusto mo i-pay fully ang account nimo, pwede gid through GSIS Touch App sa mga aton nga online payments or sa aton nga mga tawag ni bayad centers. Bayad centers naton are I can't name all of them, but you can pay online. Oo. So mga kung sino sila mas mo promote ko sila ganun kag hindi mo pwede. But these are available. Ginapahapos gid ni GSIS ang tanan para sa aton nga mga miyembro. And in fact, our President and General Manager, PGM Wick Veloso, amuna ang mga initiative. These initiatives were lauded. Grabe gid ang praise sang Senate, sang Congress, and even the President for these programs because lain siya sa iban nga mga programa sang loans sa other mga agencies. GSIS is one of the top government agencies nga nagapasimple gid kapaginhawa gid sa iya nga mga services and programs for the members and pensioners.
Sir, na-mention mo Union Bank. Wala Union Bank sa Capiz.
Yes,
Hindi na mabulayan ang nag-loan. Din siya pwede nga bank credited, makuha niya yung loan kung
If you have the UMID card, nga Union Bank siya, any ATM bank, any bank nga bank, they can avail of it. Unfortunately, wala din sa Union Bank, but as you see, pwede niya matransact to any bank.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you too, ma'am.
Good morning, Sir Mike, Sir John. I'm
Good morning.
Lady May Laguda from Radyo Maragtas. Ang akong question, sir, may plano bala ang GSIS nga magdugang sa pension increase?
Pension increase. Actually, sir, go ahead.
Yes. Actually, annual po yung increase ng pension natin. Pero that is subject to the approval ng boards natin. That is in accordance with law, Republic Act 8291, wherein yung Board of Trustees, they are mandated to do the actual approval dun sa recommendation for the increase. So on the average, may increase po tayo annual na natatanggap po yun every January. So nag-range lang po siya ng around 1.3 to 1.5% ng ating pension. Pero may increase po. So in addition to that, meron din po tayong tinatawag na bonus na natatanggap, cash gift, which is I think it's one of the yung mga ginhawa na bibigay sa pensioners natin. Aside doon sa privilege nila to avail loan, equivalent to 6 months of their pension.
May plano din po ba na magdagdag ng green financing program sa mga masusunod na taon?
Refinancing, you mean? May ara kita nga tawag nga programa sa GSS nga ang ginamin mo for the teachers ng mga buyout programs natin. We actually have before. But right now, wala pa na continue ina siya. If you have loans from other banks, kumbaga pwede mo siya mapa-buyout sa GSIS. Okay. Sir?
So, GFAL Max.
Unfortunately, hindi man siya gid amuna kung kisabalaan depende sa na take home pay man gihapon sang aton nga mga members.
Yung GSIS Touch Up po, effective po ba? Nababawasan po ba yung pila ng mga beneficiaryo po sa branch ng GSIS?
Yes, very effective gid.
Very significant po yung reduction ng mga walk-in clients po natin. It's very convenient at saka itong innovation na to ay actually, if you can recall, this started doon sa panahon ng pandemic wherein kailangan natin talaga ng a certain platform wherein we can access transactions. So, parang in-institutionalize na yan kasi for the awareness of everyone, mayroon po kaming vision na by 2028, fully digitized na po yung platforms namin. But even before, long before mag-2028, almost more than 90% of transactions of GSIS nandyan na po. Kami dyan sa GSIS Rojas, bali very significant po yung nakikita namin na convenience ay bibigay ng GTouch. That's why, in fact, due to the yung crisis natin ngayon, we have these Digital Fridays, di ba? Wherein almost all of our transactions are done through GTouch. We encourage that para hindi na sila pumunta sa office.
In addition to what Sir said, yes, it's virtual. In addition to what Sir said, ang GSIS Touch app naton, hindi lang siya for loans. You can see all of your records, premium payments, loan payments. At the same time, right now, you can even file for your benefit, retirement, surrender sang policy, pwede siya ma-process na dira. You can file for your computation, magpa-tentative computation, di ka lang makadto sa office para pa-compute lang kung pila imo retirement nga kwaon. You can monitor your pensions from there. And also, kita man natin dira kung nabayaran na bala sang agency natin ang deduction na remit na sa amon. So it's basically a virtual GSIS office 24/7 accessible gid siya. So maski ga bakasyon ka kung diin, pwede gid may GSIS ka lang sa bulsa nimo. And in addition, when you go to the office, nga kinanglan mo be, for example, may transaction nga hindi masabat ni GSIS Touch app, pwede ka maka-set sang appointment. Dito pa lang, pwede ka nakakuha number sa GSIS Touch app. Queuing number. So pag abot mo sa opisina, amo na nga time, pabailuhan mo lang ang numero nga na para entertain ka na ni teller.
Yep.
And if you have questions, may virtual assistants kami, virtual MAU nga ginatawag.
Membership assistance
nga maski basta within office hours makaset ka appointment, pwede ka mo ka-istoryahan na, pwede ka mo ka pangayo advice. Submission of documents, ginabato na naton ang digital copy, and then to follow lang original sa office.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. From Bombo Radyo Rojas, Bombo Vince.
Yes, Bombo Vince. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, ang GSIS bala, sir, may program bala, sir, nga nag-buyout sang loan sa mga government employees sa mga private institutions.
Yes, sir. We have a GFAL Max, ginhawa Max. So for example, may utang ikaw sa tawag sini sa private lending institutions, just give us a quotation, SOA from their end, and then GSIS will be paying for the loan mo dito. Amo lang ginapangabay man, for example, kadamo kita ginapang buyout nga programs nga mga loans man. Tendency is, for example, na-buyout ng loan, kay since manubo ang interest rate ni GSIS, mas tendency is masaka na ilang ang sweldo. Masaka ang benefit nila. Unfortunately, some of those ginalunan liwat. So, financial literacy-wise, I think it's not wise naging pa-buyout mo na tapos loanan mo pagiliwat. That is why we are actually open sa GSIS to be invited by government agencies also na mag-do financial literacy sa ila so that they'll be able to best manage their loans and at the same time their finances. Maka-advise si GSIS dira.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sir Vince.
Thank you, Sir Vince.
Hi, sir.
Hi,
Sir
Ma'am
Mike, Sir
Good
Jan.
morning.
Ang ako niya i-question, ang mga nabili nila nga mga questions ko no para hindi na masyadong overexpose sila. Ang unang question ko no, sir, may mga nag-avail na ba lang nga mga miyembro sang GSIS diri sa probinsya sang Capiz? Kag sang sining Giselle kag Jibel, kung may ara na, kag ang san ugid ini nag-umpisa ko nga programa. Kay ang mga interesado nga mga family nila, base ko no maka-avail, pila ka porsyento ang pwedeng ang interest sang Giselle kag Jibel, kag dire-diretso ko na lang, sir, inang pilang years ang payment period, kag when ang ma-start ang deduction.
Okay.
Damo, sir.
Sige, sir. Go ahead.
Bali, for the first question, kung ilan na po yung nag-avail ng Giselle at saka Jibel natin, for the latest na extraction, the data provided to us as of May 18 we have already more than 150 na individuals, nearing 170 na individuals na nag-avail ng GCell. The total amount disbursed was 42 million or 43 million na equivalent ng loan amount. And then for GBEL naman, we have around, I don't have the exact figure, pero we were already parang umabot na ng 3 million yung kasi very
It's more than 3 million already, ma'am.
very pa lang siya recent na
Few weeks ago.
loan offering.
Few weeks pa lang.
As to the interest, the interest is very minimal. And in fact, this is lower than the existing loan programs na binibigay ng GSIS. This is only 5%.
Per
Per annum, sir, no?
Yes,
Per
sir.
annum. Oo. And then the payment term for GCell is 5 years, maximum of 500,000, while GBEL naman is 3 years, maximum of 300,000. They have the same interest rate of 5% per annum. Diminishing pa po yun. Depende po sa balance po natin.
Actually, para di sila malipat, GSIS touch gyapon ang hambalod ko sa ila kay once they apply for a loan, nakadetalye na dira in fact may makita nila kung saan matapos, may detalye is there. Because like different loan amounts, base compute sila manually kung i-discuss lang naton, dira naga-provide na sang computation. So I would advise gid sa mga mag-loan nga take a screenshot sang inyong gin-apply nga loan sa GSIS touch para nga di sila malipat. Kag maski malipat man sila, they can always go back and see their loan amount and details of their loans.
Oo. Sir, pag nag-avail ako, Abi, no, GCell, GBEL, subong adlaw, so approval, Abi, within 72 hours. When ako umpisahan nga i-deduct?
So, the deduction, if ever nag-apply ka for loan at it was granted before the 23rd of the month, immediately the month following. Yes.
The following month.
The following month siya mag-take effect dun sa billing natin. Kung naman
After
yung approval after the 24th of the month, doon siya papasok naman sa the next following month. Meaning, kung nag-avail ka ngayong nung May, kung
May 21 ngayon, sir.
Before 23,
Na-approve.
Na-approve.
the following month, sa
Bayad.
June. Pero
Oo.
kung sa 24th ka onwards, doon ka po sa
July na.
July na.
Ah, okay.
So may
2
cut-off.
months after. Meron siyang cut-off po na
Kaya ang billing
Dapat
naton.
tandaan, sir, 23 kag 24.
Yes, pero may
Actually, makita mo man siya actually sa GSIS Touch app kung saan ang first loan payment
Yes.
makuha.
Okay.
May first June natin.
Pag gine-refer ko, kang first June month will be seen there. Because may cut-off period na siya because ang system nag-generate sang billing. So, kung makasulod siya sa billing period ngayon na, then ma-start ka na payment. Pero since cut-off mo after pa sang billing generation, so the following month pa siya masulod. But then again, para kita malipat, ikaw magtalang, just look at the GSIS Touch app kay naka-detail na dito.
Ang insurance ba, sir, lifetime habang or may specific nga time hanggang 5 years lang, hanggang 10 years lang, sa GCell, sa solar, abi nga na, sir?
It's 3 years,
For
ma'am.
GCell,
Ang
3
3 years.
lang.
5 years mo siya bayaran, 3 years lang ang
3 years yung
insurance.
free, ma'am.
But you
So
have the
after
option.
after that, pwede kang may option ka to continue ng insurance mo.
So parang sa lakyan, sir?
Yes,
Kung
ma'am.
mag-ano ka? Okay.
Kaya depreciate ang value, so the insurance value also diminishes with time.
Oo. Okay. Okay.
Pero insurance na to as members of the GSIS, for life na ha until separated from service. Life insurance na to niya. It's different from the loan.
Dapat mag-avail na.
Dapat mag-avail na. Sir, ilan nga ho yung yung total number ng GSIS members natin at pensioners natin sa buong lalawigan ng Capiz?
Under the GSIS ROAS coverage, we have a total number of agencies na 187, yung total number of agencies. Yung total active members naman is 15,015. Yung total active pensioners is 5,659. So we are serving around 20,674 ng coverage
Active
namin.
and pensioners.
Active and pensioners.
So 5,000 and 15,000.
Yes, yun po yung namin, coverage.
But in addition to what Sir said, wala taman na ginakuan, we are growing actually in terms of numbers of kay damo man nagasulod. This is a moving figure. Kay damo naga-retire, damo man nagasulod. So if for example mapatay man si member, may survivor man nga nagasulod man siya. But for the period of generation, we have 5,006 pensioners more or less, and then 15,000 plus na active members. So,
Sir, last na lang sir ha. Like for example, ako nagarenta, ako balay, hindi ako balay. Mapatakod ko solar, ma-loan ko sa GSIS, pwede bala?
yes, pwede gid ma'am. Ang i-insure namo hindi ang balay, ang unit.
The unit. Basta nakapangalan sa inyo. Ma'am, just to add dun sa question mo regarding dun sa coverage namin, actually, under the new setup na you are using digital platforms, actually, we consider as GSIS 1 na kami. So regardless, parang borderline, wala na tayong borders when it comes to serving our members. Kasi in fact, some of our clients are under other branches, pero we don't mind kung sino po yung siniserve namin. Basta pumunta po sa amin, humingi po ng tulong, we don't mind kung under sila ng ibang branches.
Okay, sir.
They can call us kung nandito sila, halimbawa galing sila sa Manila or napunta sila dito, they can transact with us. Anyway, if we cannot handle that, i-refer po namin. Yung important lang nun is we provide the necessary service kung ano po yung transaction na gagawin nila. So kung hindi, we cannot provide everything to address their concern, i-refer po namin. Call a friend, di ba Mike?
Yes, sir. You can file anywhere ang claims niyo, pwede niyo ma-file anywhere. We can process anywhere. But the validation-wise, in terms of validation, gina-cross-validate man namon sa other branches kung diin siya na belong. So for example, nagbakasyon siya sa Manila, ma-file sa retirement dito, they can still process kaya dito siya reside. They will be checking with us the records sa gihapon. And especially with the digital platforms ni GSIS, madali na lang nato na ma-access. Although, confidentiality-wise, data privacy-wise, kung dili siya namangkot sang iya nga detalye dito, kung hindi siya nga pamangkot, we actually protect it also. So, secured kita sa GSIS and ginhawa ang ginhatag GSIS because the convenience of our members and pensioners are our priority.
Avail na.
Avail na. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so I think there are no more questions from our media friends. Wala na. Okay, so to end the answers, may we have a parting statement na lang para sa ating mga viewers.
Again, would like to thank our PIA through Sir Alex and Ma'am Pia for inviting us here. And of course, we are grateful and for this opportunity. We would like to thank our media friends for allowing us to discuss important programs of the GSIS and promote our loan windows. Rest assured na we at GSIS Rojas are always true to our mandate na to provide social services and insurance benefits sa ating mga members. Hindi lang during their active period of years, but also during the time of crisis, especially ngayon na every time na we assure you that we are your partner kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan po natin. So again, thank you so much for having us here, Mike.
Thank you very much, Miss Pia of PIA. So, hindi ginawa malipatan si Miss Pia kay well-guided gid kami sa sini nga program. And of course, we'd like to thank also Sir Alex for the opportunity and for more partnerships sa aton mga media friends and partners. Ang ako lang gusto nga i-part sa inyo is that GSIS management with the leadership of PGM Vic Veloso is continuously finding innovations and ways to better serve kag mapaginhawa gid ang mga ato ng mga members kag mga pensioners para mapahapos ang ilang paghatag para mapos nila makuha ang mga benepisyo kag serbisyo nga para gid sa ila sa aton tanan. As GSS member myself, I am very thankful that GSIS is here from the start of your government service up to the time we depart. GSIS is here from loans, from membership, from insurance, even up to separation, pension, and even death. GSIS is here to serve you as a government institution that promotes, that helps civil servants achieve the best they could kag mapapos man ang aton nga pagpanami pagid ang aton pagserbisyo sa aton nga mga kaparehas man nga mga public servants kag sa publiko. So again, thank you very much, Gid, Ms. Pia, and good morning.
Again, thank you so much, sirs, and salamat man sa atong mga media friends nga rin diri subong. Kag gusto ba naton pasalamatan ang atong mga partners sa kapihan, ang PhilVision Inc. for our technical, si Capiz Association of Government Public Information Officers sa kag PIO, kag sa Capiz Provincial Government Communications Group and sa Tapas Information Office nga ka-partner naton with the PhilVision Inc. sa aton online broadcast via PA Capiz, Capiz Provincial Government Communications Group, Tapas Information Office, kag PhilVision Inc.'s Facebook pages. Special thanks man sa aton PAA Region 6 Regional Head Ma'am Cheryl B. Amor and ARH Miss Sister Andosa. Kag sa isa tabig ka partner sa sining nga kapihan ang West Fardo Connect Community Channel nga nag-air man sa aton kapihan episodes. Sa gihapon, salamat sa inyong suporta kag pagsalig sa amon bilang boses kag sa pagpaatag sa may promosyon para sa tanan. Please do like and share this video, and also please do follow those pages para mas maging updated kamo sa mga kakaratabo sa aton nga probinsya. Today's discussion clearly highlighted the various programs, services, and financial assistance offered by the government service insurance system, especially its loan facilities and innovative initiatives for government employees and pensioners. So we hope today's episode has helped clarify important information about GSIS loans and benefits, especially the Ginhawa Bike and E-Mobility Loan and the Ginhawa Solar Energy Loan. As these programs continue to provide meaningful support to members, they help them manage their financial needs while promoting practical, sustainable solutions for everyday living. So this has been PA Kapihan, bringing you stories and conversations that matter. Again, sa ngalan sang PA Capiz Information Center with our Government InfoSend Coordinator, Sir Alex Lumake, this is Pilary B. Francisco. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and take care. Capiz Noons.